Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Long time ago in China, there lived a poor boy whose name was Aladdin. Aladdin lived with his mother. One day, a rich and distinguished-looking man came to their house and said to Aladdin's mother, "I am a merchant from Arabia and want your son to come with me. I will reward him handsomely." Aladdin's mother instantly agreed. Little did she know that the man pretending to be a rich merchant was in reality a magician. Next day, Aladdin, having packed his belongings, left with the merchant. After many hours of traveling, the merchant stopped. Aladdin too stopped, surprised that they should stop in such a desolate spot. He looked around. There was nothing in sight for miles. The merchant pulled out some colored powder from his pocket and threw in the ground. The next instant, the whole place was filled with smoke. As the smoke cleared, Aladdin saw a huge opening in the ground. It was a cave. The merchant turned to Aladdin and said, "I want you to go inside this cave. There will be more gold than you have ever seen. Take as much as you want. You will also see an old lamp. Please bring that back to me. Here, take this ring. It will help you." Aladdin was very suspicious, but decided to do as was told. He lowered himself into the cave, thinking all the while that it would be difficult to climb out without help. Aladdin entered the cave and, just like the merchant had said, saw gold, jewelry, diamonds, and other valuables. He filled his pockets. When this was done, he looked for the lamp. It was lying in the corner, full of dust and dirty. He picked it up and ran to the cave's opening and shouted to the merchant, "I have your lamp. Can you please pull me out?" "Give me the lamp," said the merchant. Aladdin was not sure that he would be pulled out if he gave back the lamp, so he said, "First, please pull me out." Aladdin and the genie, this angered the merchant. With a loud cry, he pulled out the same colorful powder and threw it on the cave opening, sealing it with a huge boulder. Aladdin was depressed. He thought, that was no rich merchant. He was surely a magician. I wonder why this lamp was so important to him. As he was thinking, he rubbed the lamp. All of a sudden, a strange mist filled the room, and from the mist emerged a stranger-looking man. He said, "My master, I am the genie of the lamp. You have rescued me. What would your wish be?" Aladdin was scared, but he said in quivering voice, "Take me back home.